बाली, थायलंड आणि श्रीलंकेच्या पर्यटनाकडे आम्ही गोयची तुळा करपाकूच शकना. काय विषय आसात ते सुटावे जावपाकूच जाय. अशें असले तरी गोयची बदनामी करपाचो कोणाकूच अधिकार ना अशें आमदार मायकल लोबो सांगता. ह्या विशयी आपूण पर्यटन खात्याक पत्र बरोवन सोशल मिडियाचेर गोयची बदनामी करप्यांचेर केशी घालच्यो म्हण मागणी करतलो अशें ताचें म्हणणें.
आमचे गोंयचें नांव डिफेम करपाक सोदता, तेंचेर केस फायल करपाची गरज ना. दे हॅव नो रायट टू defame our state, which is promoting tourism, which is one of the best tourist destination in India. When we talk about India and when we talk about the world, we are also ranking somewhere. So nobody has a right. We also address to the media so many issues and problems. आम्ही address करता की beach clean आसची, collection सारखे जावचे वेस्टाचे, लायफगार्ड सारखे आसचे, रोड सारखे आसचे, पॉट होल्साचे एड्रेस आम्ही केला. जस्ट बिफोर द सीजन स्टार्टेड ऑल ओवर गोवा रोड्स हॅड पॉट होल्स. सो तेजेंय काम सुरवात जाल्लें. म्हणजे आमी एड्रेस करप हो इशू, आनी मुख्यमंत्री आसूं, त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो हेड आसूं, त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो मंत्री आसूं, तेणें हें फुडें व्हरपाची गरज आहा आनी आमकां करून दिवपाची गरज आहा तें काम. वेदर इट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम, इट इज वॉटर प्रॉब्लम or any problem, we need to address this issue. Whether there are touts on the beach, we need to address this issue. I am not saying that we are very clean or we have it is one of the destination which has no problems. Every tourism destination in the world has problems. Some problems can be seen, some problems cannot be seen. So अशे आमकां डायरेक्टली बदनाम करपी लोकांचेर कारवाई जावची म्हणून हांव प्रेसाक एड्रेस करताय. आनी I will also write to the director of tourism that they, on behalf of the Department of Tourism and on the state of Goa, they should file a complaint. We also need to put certain things in place. I also agree with that we have to address all the different issues which are troubling the tourism sector, which are having adverse effects on tourism. We need to address this issue, but at the same time, if somebody is defaming us, we need to be vigilant. And Department of Tourism should immediately take this up and file a complaint on that person.